Today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to create this golden eye makeup look using Morphe 3502 palette. Let's start. To prep my face, I'm going to start by using the Benefit Professional Primer, or you could also use the Dr. Brand Primer. I also suggest using a buffing brush to apply it and blend it. Now for my foundation, I'm using Revlon Ultra Filter in medium beige, and I just blend it with my brush. For my brows, I'll be using Anastasia Dipbrow in Ebony, and with my brush M215, I'll just fill it up. To highlight my face, I use Fenty Beauty Matchsticks in Bamboo and gently blend it with my medium foundation brush and set it with my S49 brush. To hide my blemishes, I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and my small beauty blender and gently dab it onto your skin like so. To contour my face, I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Mocha Matchsticks and my contour brush, which is the M400, and I'm gonna set it up with my E49 brush and my Stellar Translucent Powder. This is to set everything up and so your makeup won't move. Now, that's up to the fun part. I just prime my eyelid with MAC primer and use my 3502 palette for my eyeshadows. To start off, I'm gonna use the MAC eyeliner in black shade and just draw a line in my eyelid area. I could start with the lining outer corner of my eye and to the inner corner of my eye. Now to make it more blended looking, I'm gonna be using my smudging brush from Morphe and just gently smudge it around my lid area, creating this softer finish look. Now for my crease area, I'll be starting with this brown color and using my M332 fluffy crease brush. I started at the corner of my eye, then I used this dark brown color and blend it to create a little of depth and dimension in my lid area. So gently just blend it all over. Softer, seamless finish look, so you gotta keep on blending it. Now I'm gonna basically create a semi-cut crease using this golden pigment by CoverFX. It's a creamy base that you could apply your golden pigment, which is this. I'm gonna apply the Morphe Gold Digger pigment on top of my CoverFX. With using my finger to create this like more natural look. Now I'm gonna take this dark brown color and just use my M22 round crease brush to create this outer V corner around my lid area. It is to define my eye a bit more, and to blend it seamlessly, I use, of course, my Morphe 332 crease brush. For my eyelash, I'm just going to be using the Marc Jacobs. And for my lips, I'll be using the Morphe lip liner in Linda and the liquid lipstick in Brunch. I also, for my eyelashes, I use this Ardell lashes. I'll be writing all the products I use in the description below, so feel free to check it out, and all the brushes I've used as well. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe, follow all my social media channels. See you again next time.